I just set up this pop-up Christmas tree, and honestly, it was so quick and simple. It's lightweight and it folds up flat, so it's going to be perfect for small spaces or just compact storage. It's 6 feet tall, but its slim shape helps it fit in a corner really nicely, and it's not going to take up too much room. It comes pre-decorated with the ribbons, and then you get lots of ornaments and the lights to complete the decoration. So setup is super quick and simple. I did personally take the time to open up the ribbons so that it filled out the space a little bit better. And then when it comes to the tree topper and LED lights, the fact that you can rotate this is incredibly useful. So that made putting on the lights so simple. I wasn't having to sit here and pass the lights around the tree, which I loved. And then the ornaments, you do have to put the little hangers on them. That was a little taxing on my thumb, but aside from that, it was really simple. And then it just pops onto the little rings of the Christmas tree. And there's so many different options for the ornaments. There's reds and whites and blues, and there's tons of different textures, finishes, and sizes. And the lights have loads of different modes that you can choose from, so you can find something that really fits your space and your decor. It does come with a remote, so using this is incredibly simple, from warm whites to colors and mixes of both. And you can even choose from jump, flashing, and fading options as well. Plus, you can dim the lights. There are a few different levels there, so you can make it more soft and cozy, or you can make it nice and bright. You also get a timer feature, so you can set this up if you only want it to be on for a certain amount of time. If you were looking for a super easy way to decorate for Christmas, this is such a wonderful option. It's bright, fun, and full of festive cheer. I really love this, and I love that when it's time to put it away, it's not going to take up a ton of space. And then next year, it's going to be just as easy to get set up. I think you guys would love it.